Inflatable castles in Winter Park, Florida. If you want to add a splash of fun to your event, Orlando Amusements has just what you need with our inflatable castles in Winter Park, Florida. These inflatables are a fantastic way to entertain children, making any event exciting and lively. From small parties to large festivals, our inflatable castles are a crowd pleaser for all ages. Safety and fun go hand in hand with our top-of-the-line equipment. We ensure that each inflatable castle is thoroughly cleaned, well-maintained, and ready for action. Our team will handle all the logistics, including delivery and setup, so you can focus on enjoying your event with friends and family. With a wide variety of inflatable castles to choose from, we'll make sure your event is one to remember. We take pride in providing a hassle-free experience for our customers, offering a seamless process from booking to takedown. Call 407-970-0253 today to reserve your inflatable castle in Winter Park, Florida. Let Orlando Amusements take your party to the next level.